Hello friends, welcome to Pro Trading Zone. So today we made profit of more than 1 lakh rupees in our trading. And this was not just because we were taking random trades in the market. We were able to do this because we follow zone trading rules. And in zone trading rules, it helps you to earn money when market is on the sideways. It helps you to make money when market goes up. It helps you to make money when market goes down. So in every situation you are able to make good amount of money into it. And whenever there is a loss, there is a small loss. Profit are of two types: small profit and very big profit. So today we made a good profit, and we are going to look how we treated our trade. So our market view, when first market opened green candle after a fall from the upside of approximately 400 points, the second candle that was formed was on the upper side of the first candle, that was above the 50% and was going up. So it was a bullish scenario that was shown, but we do not take trade depending only on this sign that market would be going up. So later we put in our strategy of 20th April expiry of 36,100 call short and 36,100 put short, that is short straddle. And in short strangle we have put in 36,400 call short of at a premium of 133 and 35,900 put short at a premium of 141. So once we put in our trade over here, according to the zone trading rule, we do not make any changes or take any other trade unless the pivot point, that is this 35,941, this line is breached or this horizontal line is breached. So we waited for in the market to let it breach, then only we took a directional trade over here. Here is the importance of the pivot point. So what are the pivot points we took today? Were 36,411, 36,273, 36,106, 35,971, 35,941, 35,808. These were the pivot points we chose today. But for us, the zone trading zone was made with these two pivot points. And once it exited, we exited our put short position. As we are in short straddle and short strangle, we had put short position over here. We exited it. So we gained theta decay over here. And once it went sideways towards the downside, we exited our trade. Once this pivot point of 35,808 was bridged from downside to up by forming a green candle. So we made good money in the theta decay as well as in the delta movement. These two things help us to make good money in option trading. Both theta decay and delta is your friend. But while you are doing a directional trade, most of the time you would be depending on delta to make good money for you. So delta is the movement in the market that changes the options premium, and theta is the decay, that is if the option is of 100 rupees and it is staying on the same level for at least 2-3 hours, you will see that 100 rupees would be now worth 90 rupees of premium. So this is theta decay. So we booked a good profit. Here is a short that shows the profit. So we are exiting our trade over here as it is a green candle and it has crossed one of our pivot points. We are booking profit. In short straddle we are making profit of 87,250, that is 0.57%. And in short strangle we are making a profit of 52,000, that is 0.36%. We are exiting all our trades and booking profit right now. So if you would have been a directional trader and wanted to use zone trading, the trade that would have helped you to understand where to take a directional trading was here. You would have taken a short call short position over here, or would have bought put position till this pivot point was breached, and as soon as it started going up and breached our pivot point again, you would have exited. So you would have made a good amount of 140 points of profit straightforward without worries, and knowing where to enter and where to exit without looking at other indicators. So this is the way how you make good money in the market, and you consistently stay positive in the market by making small profit or big profit. So if you have any questions how we traded and how was the trade going, you can watch our shorts that we post live, and you can follow me in the live trading session where I put in my market view, what are the pivot points, what trade I took, and how the market is moving. Please comment if you feel like to understand anything or if you have any queries to be addressed. Thank you.